Hello everyone, welcome to SAT Maths. This is chapter 3, function and equation, and the subtopic is relation function part 2. So here we'll be practicing question. The concept of this topic we have covered in the previous video. So if you have not watched that video, I would request you to go through that video first. So again, pause the video, solve this, and then I will solve it. That's the best way to practice the question. So in starting of every video, you can pause it and solve it. So here it is saying fx is equal to minus 2x plus 7. What is f of 1 by 2x plus 3? So again the same concept. We just have to replace the x with the 1 by 2x plus 3. So minus 2 times 1 by 2x plus 3 and plus 7. So it's minus 2 times, this is minus x. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6 plus 7. So it is minus x. 7 minus 6 is plus 1. So minus x plus 1, option A is the correct answer. This question says, which of the following relation is a correct representation of the mapping shown above? So if you look at this from the options directly, you can see minus 5 is mapped to 8. So minus 5 is to 7, this is definitely wrong. Minus 5 to 8, this may be correct. And minus 5 to 8 over here. So we can say minus 5 to 8, this is there, and this is also wrong. Minus 5 to 8 is not there, and minus 5 to 8 is not there. So only minus 5 to 8, option B. But if you check the other one also, you can say minus 2 to 7, yes. Then 2 to minus 1, yes. And then 5 to also 8, yes. So option B is the correct answer. For the function g defined above, k is a constant and g of minus 1 is equal to 5. What is the value of g of 1? So first we have to calculate what is the k, and then we will be calculating g of 1. So to calculate the value of k, it is given when the input value is minus 1, output is 5. So g of minus 1 is equal to 5. So we will be replacing x with the minus 1, and g of minus 1 will be 5. So 5 is equal to k times minus 1 cube plus 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to negative k. So 5 minus is 2, so k is equal to negative 2. So after getting the k equals to negative 2, so all you have to do is, the gx is negative 2x cube plus 3. What it is asking us to find? It is asking us to find g of 1. So evaluate g of 1. So 1 cube is 1, so negative 2 plus 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So option number C is the correct answer for this. F of x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 6. What is the value of f of minus 3? Now to calculate f of minus 3, I want this x plus 1 to be equal to minus 3 first. So we have to see what value we should put in place of x so that it becomes minus 3. So here we can equate it like this. Let x plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. So x is equal to negative 4. Now basically asking us to put x as negative 4. Now if you put x as negative 4, so negative 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, negative 4 plus 6. Because negative 4 plus 1, that will become negative 3, and that's what we want to find. So this will become 2 plus 6, it's going to be 8. So 8 is the answer for this. What is the domain of the function that contains points? So domain means the first values. So range means the second values or the y values, and domain means the x values. So if you look at this over here, the domain will consist of minus 5, minus 2, 0 and 4. So minus 5, minus 2, 0 and 4, option D. If they are asking us to find the range for this one will be 2, 1, and we will not repeat, since 2 is repeating twice, but we will write it only once, and minus 3. So 2, 1 and minus 3 is the range for this data. Domain is this. So I hope you have understood all these questions, and I hope all the questions were correct. So if you have any doubt in the SAT math, so you can correct me over this WhatsApp number, or you can send your doubts over this mail. Thank you for watching this.